हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ नाउन क्विज टू चेक योर नॉलेज ऑफ नाउन। लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन 1, द नेमिंग वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड। So the next question is, how many kinds of nouns are there? Question 3, dash nouns donate a group. Question 4, gold and silver are dash nouns. Question 5, dash noun talks about any particular person or thing. Question 6, city, girl and schools are dash nouns. The next question is, which of the following is an abstract noun? Question 8, which of the following is a material noun? Next, fill collective noun. A dash of monkeys. A dash of cards. Eleventh, a dash of flowers. Twelfth, a dash of fish. Question number 13, a dash of bees. And the last question is a dash of wolves. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe.